Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove MS Resource AppName text entry in Windows Start menu. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type here PowerShell, open Windows PowerShell. So right click on it, run as administrator. Now here copy and paste command lines I will give in description one by one. So this is the first command line. Press enter. Now open Task Manager. And find out Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on End Task. Now minimize Task Manager. Now copy this second command line. Paste here. Third one. And in the last, fourth. Press enter. Now close it. Open Task Manager, run new task. Type here Explorer. .exe. Select this box, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve this error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.